Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change email address on United Airlines. So if you also want to change your email address on United Airlines, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open United Airlines application. You can see over here United Airlines is opened. Now you'll have to go to your account. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Find the option for contact information. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the phone number and email address over here. Under the section primary email address, you'll be able to see your email address. And you can also see the option for change. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Open your Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. United Airlines will send you an email. Tap on it. You will be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the application. Now enter the code. Now tap on the continue button that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is enter the new email address. Tap on the email address box. Enter the new email address. You can also add the description if you want. Now tap on the continue button that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now a code will be sent to your email address. Go to your Gmail application. Now switch to your new Gmail account. Simply tap on your profile icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now choose the email address that you have used. Now you can see over here United Airlines has sent you an email. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize it. Now go back to the application. Now enter the verification code. Now tap on the continue button that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here your email has been changed. So that is how you change email address on United Airlines. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.